In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Risk Reward tool in TradingView, providing a quick and efficient tutorial to get you started. First, we're going to navigate over to TradingView, your go-to platform for all things trading. Once you've logged into your account, direct your attention to the chart you desire to analyze. Now we'll move to the left side of the screen where you see a toolbar. This toolbar is your companion through TradingView, housing a variety of tools, including the one we're focusing on today. From the toolbar, identify the spot where you can place a long position. The long position tool is essential when you're anticipating an upward market trend. To use this tool effectively, simply click on a specific point on your chart where you aim to initiate your position. Once this point is selected, you'll have the ability to drag and adjust your take profit and stop loss levels. This feature allows you to visually set your risk and reward metrics directly on the chart, essential for managing your trades effectively. If your analysis suggests a downward trend, no worries. The procedure for a short position is just as straightforward. On your chart, click the location where you want to start your short position. You can make the same adjustments to your take profit and stop loss levels here, just as with the long position. These adjustments are crucial to tailoring the trade outcomes to your strategy and risk tolerance. Next, let's take a look at creating a limit order. Right-click on the chart to bring up the dialog and select Create Limit Order. A limit order allows you to set buy and sell limits, executing trades autonomously when your set price points are met. This can be a real game changer in volatile market conditions, providing you efficiency and peace of mind. Once your limit order is set, you retain the flexibility to edit the order's price, ensuring that your trades align perfectly with your evolving market outlook. Additionally, you can adjust the take profit and stop loss directly on this interface. This level of customization is pivotal as it allows you to dynamically adjust your trade parameters according to market movements and your risk management approach. Next, make sure to look for the highlight option, which further helps in keeping track of specific chart elements or strategies you're employing. This visual aid can streamline your trading experience, focusing your attention on what matters most. You'll also come across the visual order option, which helps manage and organize your existing chart setups visually. Finally, explore the template feature, a real time saver for those repetitive setups you find yourself using frequently. Templates allow you to save your custom settings and apply them easily to other trades. Mastering these steps will enhance your trading strategies, making TradingView's risk-reward tool an invaluable resource.